Merge onto I-85. Stay in the second lane from the right to go past this exit.
Oh shit.
How much do you weigh? I thought you were more. I lost some weight. I think I would have been less if I didn't eat. Ate some Iron Age.
Are you hearing this guy?
Little John. That's me.
Big and wide.
Oh, big and
I'm kidding.
stinky and poopy. That's what you are.
It's just up to you though.
Pokemon hat. Cool shit. Ooh, I like the smell. It smells nostalgic. I remember my dad having this type of smell back then.
The room's a mess, bro.
It's not a messy. It's just
It
really.
looks like we just cracked in here.
Oh.
Oh, your desk is a mess. Oh, yeah, here.
You're so awkward, bro.
I'm like that.
The Supreme Boxers, though. How do you feel about it? Goated? Oh.
Yeah, treat like it's an actual driver.
The next day.
Figured it out when I looked it up more. I'm in a micro center.
Why? Oh, I got no aura.
Is it closed?
Maybe.
Sir, open. Didn't even open.
Bro. Alright, we gotta come back. What should we do?
You want to go eat real quick?
Yeah, let's go over here, bro.
Wait, what? They got food right there? I'm worried that it's going to be too strong. Cafe latte
Alright.
to wake me up before.
Getting fucked.
Oh, yeah. This is it. That's the good stuff.
Why your eyes roll back?
Bro, that's got to be AI.
Alright.
That was good. 8 out of 10. Came by my area.
Yeah. Alright, bro. I need you to take a bite of it, bro.
What does it have?
Mayo. That's good? Mm-hmm. Alright, now eat.
Plain Valorant
With this big keyboard. You like the
loud.
clicking sound?
It's loud as shit.
This shit tough. You always do you dirty, bro.
Try to find another one of me.
Let's see.
I didn't even have my hair cut. Yeah, bro.
Damn, you 2 hours since you dirty. That's so goofy, bro.
Once the light is fully off on it, it's gone.
I don't know mine. I think mine's got ruined.
Why are you holding it like a baby?
Time to fix it.
Alright. What'd you think?
I think you just turned it off.
Oh, I turned it off? Fuck, dude. Alright. Alright, go ahead.
I think it's doing something.
Yeah, you're in. New CPU installed. You're good. Ignore this ghetto ass setup.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
So these are
It's
all the
reading
specs.
everything. Look, your RAM's 32. You got the Ryzen 7.
These are just all the parts for it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm nervous a little bit. I'm kind of worried. I was worried for a bit. Oh, is that a good sign?
Spent like 2 to 3 hours fixing this PC. All worth it though.
Thank you, Papi. All right, bro. Cut that out.
Thank you, Afante.
No problem.
All right, y'all. After some time, I finally am able to kind of give an update on what's happening right now. So, basically, John got some new parts. He upgraded his RAM, his CPU, and his motherboard. and he gave me his CPU cooler as well. And he got some new parts. I'll put the parts he got on screen right now. But he was generous enough to give me all this for free. It's already kind of crazy, so I'll quickly go over like the parts we got. So we got a Ryzen 5 5600, of course the CPU cooler, the B550 motherboard, the ASRock, and then I don't know what this RAM is. Ballistics. All right. But yeah, already this is really solid for what we got for free, so I'm grateful for sure. I do need to get a graphics card, and I do need to get a power supply. And today we're able to find a case. Comes with 3 fans in the front, 1 right here, and it looks really nice. I got this for 50 bucks, and then I also got some SSD, 512 gigabytes, and I think I paid like around like 80 something. For this build, I want to spend less than like 250 hopefully. So what we're gonna do today is put that onto there, and yeah, let's do it. So here's an update. On the motherboard, we got these screws that are stuck on. What I'm doing is just grabbing some pliers and then I'm twisting them off right now. It's a little risky what I'm doing here, but fuck it, we ball. All right, y'all, I got everything right here, and yeah, motherboard's mounted to the case, and it looks pretty cool. I can't even lie to you. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take a break, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna hook up some of the cables, do some cable management on top, just do the small things since I can't really do much since I don't have the power supply or the graphics card. My plan on getting those is just going on Facebook Marketplace and just trying to find steals, and hopefully I can get those soon. So cut to the next clip where I'm doing a meetup.
Many months later.
I like the cake too. Ew!
Hey man, yeah. How you doing, bro? Doing good, man. All right, here we go. Shit looks tough, bro. The RX 570. I got it for a good steal, I think so. I got it for like 30 bucks. Is it the best? No. But was it cheap? Yeah. So fuck it. Pretty happy with this purchase, especially for $30. We're gonna head home now. All right, y'all. We're back. So I got the case right here, and then I got my graphics card. We're gonna go ahead and install it. I don't think I got enough clearance to put it here, and preferably we would want to put graphics card here, but I don't have space, so I'm just gonna put it down here. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna install it right now. Yeah, this is the future Sean. What I said was a lie. It actually did fit, so yeah, happy about that. So now we're just missing one thing, which is our power supply. I bought a power supply on Amazon for like 30 something dollars. I just want to try it out if it's gonna be good or not, so hopefully it's good. All right, y'all, it's the next day and I got my power supply through Amazon. Got everything right here. Looks good, I hope. But yeah, we're gonna go install this onto here, and I hope to get this done in maybe like, let's say 35 minutes. All right, y'all. Plugged everything in. Did some cable management as well. I think everything looks good. The only downside to this build is that I'm missing a shield, but it's alright. But if everything is correctly wired and installed, we should have a running PC right now. Yo! Oh, freaky. Okay. Okay. Interesting. My fans aren't turning on the CPU, so let me go fix that. BRB. All right, y'all. Fixed up the wiring on the CPU cooler. I fucked up, put in the wrong spot, but I went ahead and fixed it. no red lights, no everything. Everything powers on. And man, it looks good. Again, this is not like the best build out in the world, but I'm for sure am happy I got this PC running. It looks really good. I'm really happy how this one turned out. Can't even lie to you, bro. I'm gonna clean up the cable management up here, fix some cable management in the back a little bit, but besides that, this PC is ready to go. Everything's basically done. We got Windows, got everything right here, and yeah, a PC under $200. It's a little clickbaity because I mean, obviously, like some of the stuff was given free for me, so some clickbait in there. But you know what? I spent under $200 and I got this cool looking PC. And now for the future plans of this PC, I'm really not too sure, honestly. Let me know in the comments. Something that I might want to do some sim racing. So should I keep this and build like a sim rig and use this PC? Or my other idea is just sell it on Facebook. Probably list it for like $400 to $500 on Facebook and just sell it and use the money for maybe a different video or something like that. But yeah, y'all, I hope you like the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.